Hi, after making a lot of pillows, I decided that this is the best and easiest method to complete crochet pillow with a solid backside. So the small backside of 7 double crochet rows is ready, and at the beginning and at the end of the first row I work extra 3 or 4 chain stitches. It is suitable for mosaic. If you make tapestry or solid color crochet, just follow your pattern. At the beginning and at the end of the second row, I crochet 2 orientation single crochets in these extra chain stitches. These orientation single crochets form something like sewing allowance. For the backside, I start with approximately 9 single crochet rows, which will form something like a button band, and then follow double crochet rows. If you prefer to use ordinary buttons, you can make buttonholes of 3 or 4 chain stitches on the button band. The back side should have the same measurements as the front side. Then cover the small back side and join 2 parts with slip stitches. Fold front side sewing allowance inside and seam 3 edges together using flat or single crochet seam. At the end, sew push buttons or ordinary buttons. I prefer push buttons because they are invisible. Thanks for watching.